వెల్కమ్ టు జయం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. మా ఛానల్ యొక్క లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ మీ మొబైల్లో పొందాలనుకుంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్ కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Okay, yesterday class we discussed about the viral diseases and fungal diseases are total completed. Today class goes to protozoan diseases. Today class goes to protozoan diseases. In examination point of view, asking the question, in which of the following a protozoan disease? In protozoan diseases are total four diseases are there. Viral diseases are total 14 diseases. Fungal diseases are total 4 diseases. And protozoan disease also are 4 diseases are there. In protozoa, the protozoa is a pathogen. The protozoa is discovered by which scientist? This scientist, Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Scientist name goes to, the protozoa is discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. This is the scientist name. The virus is discovered by Elephantiasis. The virus is named by Jayam. The first introduced virus is TMV virus, that is means tobacco mosaic virus. The tobacco mosaic virus is discovered by Stanley. The protozoa is discovered by which scientist? The protozoa is discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek scientist. The protozoa is discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek scientist. This is the picture of scientist. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. The protozoa is discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek scientist. This is the picture of Anton van Leeuwenhoek scientist. The protozoan diseases are total 4. The protozoan diseases are total 4. The first disease goes to malaria. The second disease goes to Gambia Fever. The third disease goes to Amoebas. The fourth disease goes to Elephantiasis. These four diseases are protozoan diseases. The first one is the malaria disease. The second one is the Gambia fever. The third one is the Amoebas. The fourth one is the Elephantiasis. Okay, I explain about the first disease goes to malaria disease. I am first explain about the malaria disease. Look at this picture. This is a malaria disease picture. In protozoan disease, the first disease goes to, in total 4 protozoan diseases are there. The first disease goes to malaria disease. The malaria disease is caused by which protozoan? The protozoan name is, the malaria disease is caused by protozoan. The protozoan name is Plasmodium vivax protozoan. This is the important of protozoan diseases. The malaria disease is very important of protozoan diseases. The malaria disease is caused by Plasmodium vivax protozoan. And next goes to the malaria disease is caused by mosquito. biting of mosquito, biting of mosquito. The mosquito name, the mosquito name, the mosquito name, female Anopheles mosquito. This is the very important mosquito of malaria disease. The malaria disease is caused by, this is the malaria disease is caused by biting of female Anopheles mosquito. The malaria disease is caused by biting of female Anopheles mosquito. The symptom of malaria disease is, the symptom of malaria disease is shivering chills fever. Shivering chills fever. The symptom of malaria disease is shivering chills fever. Already I told that the fever are come to another diseases. Chikungunya fever, dengue fever, encephalitis disease also fever. The chikungunya symptom goes to fever and joint pains. The dengue symptom goes to fever and muscle pains. And encephalitis disease goes to fever and severe headache. And malaria disease goes to shivering chills fever. Shivering chills fever, the symptom of malaria disease. The blood cells are 3 types in human body. The blood cells are 3 types in human body. The first one is the RBC. The second one is the WBC. The third one is the platelets. In which cells the platelets are destroying on which disease? Already I told that previous classes. The platelets are destroying on which disease? That answer goes to dengue fever. And these are also, this disease also, the RBC cells are destroying on malaria disease. Look at this picture. This is the RBC cells. Infected. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. Infected RBC cells. RBC cells are destroying. The RBC cells are destroying on malaria disease. In which cells are destroying on malaria disease? RBC. In which cells are destroying on dengue fever? Platelets. The RBC cells are destroying on malaria disease. The malaria vaccine is discovered by Sir Ronald Russ. Sir Ronald Russ. In the year of 1897 in Secunderabad, the vaccine name is quinine. The vaccine name is quinine. The malaria vaccine is discovered by Sir Ronald Russ. Sir Ronald Russ. In the year of 1897 in Secunderabad, the vaccine name is quinine. The quinine vaccine takes from some plant. The some plant goes to Cinchona officinalis. Cinchona officinalis. In asking the question in previous examination point of view, the quinine vaccine takes from which plant? The answer goes to Cinchona officinalis plant. The quinine vaccine takes from Cinchona officinalis plant. This is the malaria disease. Look at this picture. Totally malaria symptom is there. in which cells are destroying in malaria disease? This picture is, you can observe that this picture also. Okay, this is the malaria disease also. Once again, I am explaining about the malaria disease. The malaria disease is caused by Plasmodium vivax protozoan. The malaria disease is caused by biting of female Anopheles mosquito. The symptom of malaria disease is shivering, chills, fever. The RBC cells are destroying on malaria disease. The malaria vaccine is discovered by Sir Ronald Ross in the year of 1897 in Secunderabad. The vaccine name is quinine. The quinine vaccine is takes from Cinchona officinalis plant. This is the malaria. This is the malaria disease. It is completed. And next disease goes to, second disease goes to Gambia fever. The second disease goes to Gambia fever. The Gambia fever is caused by which protozoan? The Gambia fever is caused by which protozoan? The Gambia fever is caused by Trypanosoma gambians protozoan. Disease name, protozoan name same. You can observe that word Gambia fever and Gambians both are same. Disease name, protozoan name both are same. The Gambia fever is caused by Trypanosoma gambians. This disease seen only in Gambia. This disease seen only in Gambia. That's why it is also called as Gambia fever. The Gambia fever is caused by biting of house flies. Biting of house flies. Which house flies? The house fly name CC house flies. CC house flies. The Gambia fever is caused by biting of CC house flies. The symptom of Gambia fever is severe sleep and it convert into coma. The symptom of Gambia fever is severe sleep and convert into coma. This is a symptom of Gambia fever. The Gambia fever is also called as sleeping sickness disease. In which disease are also called as sleeping sickness disease? In which disease are also called as sleeping sickness disease? Gambia fever. In which disease are caused by biting of house flies? Gambia fever. This disease is infected to the which part in human body? That answer goes to brain also. Look at this picture. This picture goes to CC house flies. This is the trypanosoma bacteria. This is the Trypanosoma gambians protozoan bacteria. This is the attack and brain. That person goes to the Trypanosoma bacteria attack and brain. That person goes to severe sleep and it converts to coma. That is also called as sleeping sickness disease also. This is the Gambia fever. This is the Gambia fever. Okay. I am explaining about the Gambia fever disease also. The Gambia fever disease is caused by Trypanosoma gambiense. This disease seen only in Gambia. The Gambia fever is caused by biting of CC houseflies. The main symptom of Gambia disease is severe sleep and it converts into coma. The Gambia fever is also called as sleeping sickness. The Gambia fever is also infected to the brain also. This is the Gambia fever. In 4 protozoan diseases, 2 diseases are completed. The first disease, Malaria disease completed, and second disease, Gambia fever is completed. And next disease goes to Amoebas disease. Amoebas disease. It is caused by the Amoebas. It is caused by which protozoan? The Amoebas disease is caused by which protozoan? The protozoan name is, the Amoebas is caused by Amoeba histolytica protozoan. The Amoebas disease is caused by Amoeba histolytica protozoan. The Amoebas disease is caused by drinking of contaminated water and eating of contaminated food also. Drinking of contaminated water and eating of contaminated food also. The Amoebas disease is caused by drinking of contaminated water and eating of contaminated food. The main symptom of Amoebas disease is blood in stool and weight loss also. Blood in stool and weight loss also. Look at this picture. This boy goes to drinking of contaminated water. This boy is infected to the Amoebas disease. A contaminated water present in which protozoan? In contaminated water present in which protozoan? Amoeba histolytica protozoan. It is caused by drinking of contaminated water also and eating of contaminated food also. The symptom of Amoebas disease is blood in stool and weight loss also. The Amoebas disease is infected to the which part? The Amoebas disease is infected to the which part? That part also goes to large intestine. That part goes to large intestine. This is the Amoebas disease also. Once again, I am explaining about the Amoebas disease. The Amoebas disease is caused by Amoeba histolytica protozoan. The Amoebas disease caused by drinking of contaminated water and eating of contaminated food also. The symptom of Amoebas disease is blood in stool and weight loss also. The Amoebas disease is infected to the large intestine part also. This is the protozoan disease. In four types of the four protozoan diseases, the three protozoan diseases are completed. The last protozoan disease goes to the fourth one goes to Elephantiasis. The fourth one goes to Elephantiasis. Look at this picture. Elephantiasis. Look at this picture. Elephantiasis. The Elephantiasis are also called as filaria. The Elephantiasis are also called as filaria. The Elephantiasis are caused by which protozoan? The Elephantiasis are caused by which protozoan? The protozoan name is Eukaryaria. Bancrofti protozoan. This is the important of protozoan disease. The protozoan name is very important. The Elephantiasis are also called as filaria disease. The Elephantiasis are another name. The Elephantiasis disease is another name, filaria. The Elephantiasis are caused by which protozoan? Eukaryaria bancrofti protozoan. The Elephantiasis disease are caused by biting of mosquito. The mosquito name female Culex mosquito. The mosquito name female Culex mosquito. Already I told that female Culex mosquito in previous classes. In which disease? That disease goes to encephalitis disease. The encephalitis disease is caused by biting of female Culex mosquito, and same mosquito is caused by biting of same in another disease. That disease name is Elephantiasis. The Elephantiasis disease are caused by biting of female Culex mosquito. In which mosquitoes are caused by? In which diseases are caused by biting of female Culex mosquitoes? In examination point of view, asking some questions. What is the question? In which diseases are caused by? In which diseases are caused by biting of female Culex mosquitoes? The answer goes to encephalitis and elephantiasis. The elephantiasis disease are caused by female Culex mosquito. The symptom of elephantiasis is swollen of lymph glands. Look at this picture. These are present in lymph glands in legs. In total human body, the lymph glands present in total human body. Also, legs are present in lymph glands also. The main symptom of elephantiasis disease is swollen of lymph glands. Swollen of lymph glands are the symptom of elephantiasis disease. In which medicine is used for elephantiasis disease? The medicine name is dimethyl dimethyl carbogen medicine is used for this disease. The disease name is elephantiasis. This is the fourth disease of elephantiasis. Okay, I am explaining about the elephantiasis. Again explain about the elephantiasis. The elephantiasis are also called as Malaria disease. The elephantiasis caused by Wuchereria bancrofti protozoan. The elephantiasis are caused by biting of female culex mosquito. The symptom of elephantiasis, swollen of lymph glands. The dimethyl carbogen medicine is used for elephantiasis disease also. This is the elephantiasis disease. Total 4 protozoan diseases are completed. Total 4 protozoan diseases are completed. Protozoan diseases are total 4. Malaria disease completed, and Gambia Fever is completed, and Amoebas Disease is completed, and Elephantiasis disease is completed. Viral diseases are completed, and protozoan diseases are completed. And bacterial diseases are there. Only bacterial diseases are there. Total 4 types of pathogens are there: bacterial, viral, fungal, protozoan. Viral diseases are completed, fungal diseases are completed, protozoan diseases are completed.